All right, can you see him? Yes, so what is that? That's the first side flight. Okay, whoa! Little turbulence. Okay, we go with them? No. It's gone now. From 1 down to 3, Skyhawk 1, 2, 2, 3 uniform. Skyhawk 1, 2, 2, 3 uniform. I have you loud and clear, but I don't think you're hearing me. Can you hear the transmission?
Traffic, 6 o'clock.
Roger, let me find you 1 second. 300, finding 15000.
American 1238, checking in with you, other 28.1 for 240.
I'm sorry, who's that?
That was American 1238.
American 1238, Roger, just set maintain, follow 2, 3.
8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Here he comes.
November, AQ uniform, radar contact, 35, thermal altimeter 3013, stay altitude.
9 o'clock.
3013 and
There he is.
1500, checking 82 uniform.
82 uniform, 8 kilo uniform.
82 uniform.
Sorry, I'll fix that.
NorAD is the North American Aerospace Defense Command, which is responsible for the air control or air sovereignty alert of the skies above the United States and Canada, including national security events such as the Super Bowl. NorAD prepares very similar to the teams that are on the field. They practice every day. When specific events like this come up, they go into greater detail on what the proposed possible threat could be and exercise those specific scenarios. If you miss the NOTAMs and found yourself in that temporary flight restricted zone that day, the first thing you're going to hear is comms, probably on the guard frequency, requesting you to get out of the area immediately. If there's no response to that, you will see a fighter on your left or right wing, depending on the intercept angle, rocking his wings. Your response will be to subsequently rock your wings and wait for follow-on direction. As a general aviation pilot that you're going to see is you're going to look out your window and you're going to see a fighter type of aircraft on your wing. We will be rocking our wings to get your attention, and the number one response we want is a wing rock so you know that we're there because of you. On Super Bowl Sunday, you watch the game, we'll watch the skies.